Space, the final frontier or the next battlefield. For decades, rumors have swirled about Majestic 12's involvement in developing advanced weapons in orbit. During the Cold War, the race for technological superiority didn't stop at Earth's surface. Nations were not only competing on land, sea, and air, but also looking towards the stars. The era was marked by an intense rivalry between the United States and the Soviet Union, each striving to outdo the other in every conceivable domain. This competition extended beyond traditional military operations and into the realm of space. The Strategic Defense Initiative, or Star Wars, hinted at the possibility of space-based weaponry. Announced by President Ronald Reagan in 1983, this ambitious program aimed to develop a sophisticated anti-ballistic missile system that could intercept and destroy incoming missiles from space. The idea was to create a shield that would make nuclear weapons obsolete, thus altering the balance of power. But could Majestic 12 have been the real force behind these efforts? This secretive group, allegedly composed of top military and scientific minds, is rumored to have been pulling the strings behind the scenes. Their involvement raises questions about the true extent of the technological advancements and the hidden agendas that may have driven these high-stakes initiatives. Claims of secret MJ-12 programs include the development of directed energy weapons, kinetic bombardment systems, and even devices inspired by alleged alien technology. These so-called rods from God, hypersonic projectiles launched from orbit, are part of a new era of space weaponry. They are rumored to be one of many classified projects that have been in development for years, shrouded in secrecy and speculation. These advanced technologies are designed to give the United States unmatched dominance in space, ensuring that it remains a step ahead of any potential adversaries. The concept involves satellites equipped with these projectiles, capable of striking targets on Earth with pinpoint accuracy and devastating force. Engineers and scientists are continuously working on refining these technologies, pushing the boundaries of what is possible in modern warfare. As the global power dynamics shift, the race for space dominance intensifies, raising questions about the future of warfare and international treaties on space weaponry. Whistleblowers suggest that MJ-12's role went beyond UFO investigations. These clandestine meetings, shrouded in secrecy, hint at a deeper, more ominous agenda. Could they have been tasked with ensuring that alien technologies were weaponized for Earth's defense or its domination? Imagine a world where advanced extraterrestrial tech is harnessed not just for protection, but for control. The implications are staggering. Were these scientists and officials working tirelessly to create a new era of military supremacy? Or were they driven by a more sinister motive, aiming to dominate not just our world, but potentially others? The truth remains hidden, locked away in these shadowy corridors and high-tech labs. Fact or fiction, the idea of space weapons is no longer science fiction. Subscribe to emgotv1 to uncover the truth about humanity's most secretive endeavors.